In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share stories in Telegram on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to send your story to the right people without any confusion. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Give it a moment to load your chats and sidebar. We'll be working from the main screen you see after the app opens. Now look toward the top of the window, near the search bar on the right side. You should see an option labeled My Story. This is where Telegram keeps your currently active story. Click My Story to open it. If you've posted multiple moments, you'll see them here. Simply make sure the one you want to share is the one that's on screen. With the story open, shift your eyes to the bottom right corner of the story viewer. You'll notice a share icon, typically a small arrow pointing outward. Click that share icon. This opens a panel or window that lists your recent chats and contacts, along with a search field so you can quickly find someone specific. From here, select the contact or contacts you want to share your story with. You can click one person or choose several if you plan to send it to multiple people at once. Before sending, you'll see a text field where you can add a short comment. This is optional, but it's a nice way to provide context. Maybe a quick note about what they're seeing or why you are sharing it now. Keep it brief and clear so it doesn't distract from the story itself. When you are happy with your selection and any comment you've added, click Send. Telegram will deliver your story directly to the contacts you picked. And it will appear in their chat with you. Just like a regular message. A quick note about availability. On desktop, posting stories often requires a Telegram Premium subscription. If you don't see My Story or can't post a story from your PC, that may be why. Once your story is posted and visible under My Story, the sharing process we just walked through works the same. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.